I had been using an alternative garage in the area for a number of years, and we had a problem with one of our cars, and so I came here for a second opinion. It was actually an issue that the other garage hadn't identified at all, and the customer service that I experienced here was just incredible. I often ask people when they were last delighted by the service that they got from a supplier. I can hand on heart say that I'm regularly delighted by the quality service that I get here from John Delany Motors. Bringing my vehicle here saves me money compared with using a main dealership, and the warranty still remains intact. It's also reassuring to know that they use the same original manufactured parts and the same equipment that you'd find in a dealership. You get a better quality of service from a family-run company compared with that you might expect from a main dealership.